Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 5.1 from the 2017 Maths Lit Paper 2 IEB paper, and this question deals with measurement, and in particular measuring the dimensions of a room from a home floor plan. So Mr. Hedges will be moving into a retirement home. The floor plan is shown below. So in 1.5.1, you can see this floor plan. They say the dimensions of the bedroom is 12 feet 3 inches by 16 feet. So we can see that they're talking about this bedroom over here. So the question asks us to convert the 12 feet and 3 inches to meters using this table below. So this is how we convert inches to centimeters. So 1 inch is 2,5 centimeters and 1 foot is 0,3 meters. So for 5.1.1, we first need to find out what is the 3 inches in centimeters. So using this table, we know that 1 inch is 2,5 centimeters. So 3 inches will equal 2,5 centimeters times by 3, because it's 3 inches, not 1 inch. So this is going to equal 7,5 centimeters. And then to convert this, so in meters, we need to times by 100, because we know there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So in meters, this is 7,5 times by, sorry, not times, divide, because we know it's we're going from centimeters to meters, so it's divided by 100 because of the fact that there are 100 centimeters in a meter. So this is going to equal 0,075 meters. So that's the inch part taken care of. Now we need to convert the 12 feet. So we know then that 12 feet using the conversions is 0,3 meters. So we need to take 0,3 and multiply that by 12. So we can say that this 12 feet will equal the 12 times 0,3 to get it into meters, which equals, in your calculators, 3,6 meters. So then, therefore, if we convert, we need, so we like, therefore, the total meters, we need to sum those two values up. So this plus this, the total meters will equal 3,6 plus the 0,075, which will equal 3,675 meters. That's the final answer for that question. So on to 1.5.2. Mr. Hedger would like to carpet the entire floor of his bedroom from wall to wall. Determine how much carpeting must be bought if the carpets are sold in full meter squares. So we need to do another conversion here. So we know that the 12,3 inches, so we've used that, we've converted that 12 feet in 3 inches is 3 meters and 3,675 meters. So now we need to just convert the 16 feet that we're missing. So we starting with the 1.5.2, we know that then 16 feet should equal, so that's 16 multiplied by 0.3, because that's how we convert to meters. This is going to equal 4.8 meters. And we know that area equals length times width. So we know area equals, so the length is 4.8 meters that we just calculated, times by the breadth, which is 3.675, and this is going to equal 17.64 meters squared from my calculators. And we need to round this up because he needs to buy carpets to the nearest meter, and it needs to be rounded up because we can't be left short. So we rather buy too much than too little because we need to fill the whole floor space. So rounded up is going to be 18 meters squared. That's the answer for that one. So the next one, they say, when Mr. Hedger measured the width of the screen porch on the plan, he got 3 centimeters. And they've told us that 8 feet equals 2.4 meters. So determine the scale of the plan in the unit form of 1 is to something. So that's the scale they need. So if we look at the map, they see that the screen porch here is 16 feet 7 inches by 8 feet. So they've told us that 8 feet equals 2.4 meters. So Mr. Hedger had measured that this 8 feet is approximately, using on the map, a distance of 3 centimeters. So now we have to work out the scale. So we start off by saying, so for 1.5.3, they've said that 3 centimeters is then equal to 2.4 meters if we do that conversion. So on the floor plan, 3 centimeters equals 2.4 meters. Told us that because that's what the screen porch is marked down as. So if we then convert both sides to centimeters, we've got that 3 centimeters equals, so to convert meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100, and this is going to give us an equivalent units. So it's going to be 3 centimeters equals 240 centimeters. That's the scale. So if we divide both sides by 3 to get it to 1 is to something, we then have it as our final answer is, so it'll be 1, and then in our calculators it's 1 is to 240 over 3, and then we can write this in simpler form as the answer is 1 is to 80. So this here is the scale that they are looking for. So we put 240 over 3 into our calculators and we get 80. So the scale is 1 centimeter is 80 centimeters in real life. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.